Hello and welcome back. It's a new season and the Christmas season is right here before us. I hope you've got your Christmas clothes prepared and you're ready for the Christmas celebration. So, to that end, I have prepared 15 Christmas words to boost your English holiday spirit. Come with me. 1. Christmas tree. What is a Christmas tree? A Christmas tree is a decorated tree, often a pine or fir, displayed during the Christmas season. Example, we're decorating the Christmas tree with lights and ornaments this weekend. 2. Ornaments. These are small decorations often hung on the Christmas tree. Example, I love hanging ornaments that have memories from each year. 3. Tinsel. This is a thin sparkly strips used to decorate a Christmas tree. Example, she wrapped the tree in shiny silver tinsel to make it sparkle. 4. Stocking. Stocking is a large sock hung by the fireplace for small gifts and treats. Example, each family member hangs a stocking on Christmas Eve. Number 5. Mistletoe. What is mistletoe? Mistletoe is a green plant with white berries often hung in doorways associated with kissing. Example, he kissed her under the mistletoe as tradition suggests. Number 6. Presents. These are gifts given to loved ones during Christmas. Example, I can't wait to open the presents under the tree. I can't wait to open the presents under the tree. Number 7. Santa Claus. Santa Claus is the jolly figure who delivers gifts on Christmas Eve. Example, children believe Santa Claus travels the world in one night to deliver presents. Which of these words is new for you? Comment below and let me know. If you have a favorite Christmas word in English, share it with us too. Number 8. Reindeer. These are animals that pull Santa's sleigh with names like Dasher, Dancer, and Rudolph. Example, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer is famous for leading Santa's sleigh. Number 9. Sleigh. What is a sleigh? A sleigh is a vehicle that glides on snow, traditionally used by Santa. Example, Santa's sleigh is pulled by his trusty reindeer. Number 10. Candy cane. This is a red and white striped candy in the shape of a cane. Example, candy canes are often hung on the Christmas tree. Caroling. Caroling is the act of singing Christmas songs in public, often door to door. Example, a group of friends went caroling in the neighborhood on Christmas Eve. Number 12. Nativity scene. This means a display representing the birth of Jesus, often with figures like Mary, Joseph, and the wise men. Example, our church has a beautiful nativity scene every year. Number 13. Gingerbread. Gingerbread is a type of spiced cookie often made into festive shapes or houses. Example, making gingerbread houses is a Christmas tradition in my family. Number 14. Eggnog. This is a creamy spiced drink popular during the holidays. Example, many people enjoy eggnog with a sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg. And number 15. Yule log. A Yule log is a large log burned in a fireplace or a cake shaped like a log, symbolizing warmth and good fortune. Example, we baked a chocolate Yule log cake for Christmas dessert. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining me today to learn Christmas vocabulary. With these words, you'll be able to talk about the holiday season with friends, family, and maybe even with native English speakers. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Have a joyful and Merry Christmas. See you in the next video.